Achieve salon-worthy hair at home without expensive treatments. Yes, you really can. Your hair has so much natural beauty waiting to shine. You don't need fancy salons or costly products to have truly lovely locks. This guide is all about helping you discover that. We will explore simple, kind ways to care for your hair. Think of it as a new beginning for your tresses. A journey to hair that not only looks good, but feels wonderfully healthy too. Let's start this adventure together, shall we? The very first step to happy hair is understanding its type. Think of it like your skin. You wouldn't use the same cream for oily skin as you would for dry skin, would you? It's exactly the same with your hair. Different hair types have very different needs. What works wonders for your friend's fine, straight hair might not suit your thick, curly locks at all. There really is no one-size-fits-all answer in hair care. Knowing your hair is like having a special map to its happiness and health. It's the foundation of everything. Let's talk simply about the main hair families. We have straight hair, which falls without a bend. Then there's wavy hair, which has a gentle shape. Curly hair forms lovely loops or spirals. And coily hair has tight curls or zigzags. Beyond this, we think about texture. Is your hair fine, medium, or coarse to the touch? And porosity. How well does your hair absorb and hold moisture? Don't worry, this isn't a complicated science lesson. It's just about observing your hair with gentle curiosity. Let's rethink how we wash our hair, shall we? For so long, we've been told to scrub it squeaky clean, but often that squeaky clean feeling means we've stripped away all the natural oils. These oils are precious, they protect our hair and keep it soft. Many of us wash our hair far too often, or we use harsh cleansers that are unkind to our scalp and strands. It's time for a gentler approach. A loving cleanse that respects your hair's natural balance. This is a cornerstone of truly healthy hair. When you wash your hair, the main focus should be your scalp. That's where most of the oil, dead skin cells, and product buildup gather. Your lengths usually just need a very gentle cleanse as the suds rinse through. Use your fingertips, never your nails, to massage your scalp. This gentle massage is wonderful. It helps to loosen any buildup and stimulates blood flow to your hair follicles. Think of it as a mini spa treatment for your head. It should feel good, not like a vigorous scrub. Conditioner is truly your hair's best friend, especially if your locks tend to be dry, tangled, or a bit rebellious. It's the magical step that restores moisture after cleansing. It helps to smooth the hair cuticle, making your hair feel softer and look shinier. Conditioner also makes detangling so much easier, which means less pulling and less breakage. For those of us with waves, curls, or coils, a good conditioner is absolutely essential. Never ever skip this vital step in your hair care routine. Your hair will thank you for it. Now, how should you apply your conditioner for the best results? Unlike shampoo, conditioner is mainly for the lengths and ends of your hair. These are the oldest parts of your hair and need the most moisture and protection. If you have an oily scalp, try to avoid applying conditioner directly to your roots. This can weigh your hair down. Gently work the conditioner through your hair, perhaps using your fingers or a wide-tooth comb. Then, let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic before rinsing. This little wait makes a big difference. Did you know your kitchen cupboard could be a treasure trove for your hair? It's true! So many everyday ingredients can work wonders, offering natural, fresh, and incredibly affordable ways to pamper your locks. Making your own hair treatments can be a lot of fun too. It's a lovely way to connect with what you're putting on your hair, knowing exactly what's in it. No complicated chemicals, just simple goodness from nature. It's like cooking a delicious, healthy meal, but for your hair instead. Let's explore some simple recipes. If your hair is feeling dry or thirsty, it will adore a moisture-rich mask. Avocado is a fantastic hydrator, full of healthy fats and vitamins. Mash up half a ripe avocado with a tablespoon of honey, which is a natural humectant. It draws in moisture. Apply this creamy mixture to your damp hair, leave it for 20 minutes, then rinse well. Another lovely option is a ripe banana mashed with a tablespoon of olive oil. Bananas are rich in potassium and natural oils, perfect for softening and adding elasticity to your hair. Section 6. Everyday kindness. Simple habits for happy hair. Truly healthy and beautiful hair isn't just about what you do on wash day. It's built upon a foundation of good daily habits. These are the little things, the small acts of kindness you show your hair every single day, that make a really big difference in the long run. It's all about gentle handling and protecting your precious strands from unnecessary stress and damage. You don't need to spend hours. Just a few mindful changes can transform your hair's health and appearance. Let's look at some easy habits to adopt. Detangling is something most of us do regularly, but how we do it matters immensely. Always be gentle. Never rip or tear through tangles, as this will surely lead to breakage and split ends. A wide tooth comb is your friend, or even just your fingers, especially for curly or delicate hair. Start detangling from the ends of your hair and gradually work your way up towards the roots. It's often best to detangle when your hair has conditioner in it, as this provides slip and makes the process much smoother and kinder to your strands. Section 7. Eat your way to gorgeous, how food feeds your hair. We often focus so much on what we put our hair, but did you know that beautiful, strong hair truly starts from within? What you eat has a direct and profound impact on the health, growth, and appearance of your locks. Think of your food as the essential fuel for your hair follicles, those tiny factories that produce each strand. If you provide them with good quality nutrients, they will be able to build strong, vibrant hair. It's a simple truth. A healthy body, nourished from the inside, grows healthy hair. So what are the key nutrients your hair craves? Protein is absolutely vital, as hair itself is made mostly of a protein called keratin. Ensure you're getting enough from sources like eggs, fish, lean meats, beans, and lentils. Iron is crucial too. Low iron levels can lead to hair shedding. Find it in red meat, spinach, and lentils. Omega-3 fatty acids found in oily fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts are wonderful for adding shine and promoting scalp health. Zinc plays an important role in hair tissue growth and repair, so include nuts, seeds, and whole grains in your diet. Section 8. Hair stories busting those pesky myths. Oh, the world of hair care is filled with so many stories and so much advice, isn't it? Some of it is wonderfully helpful, passed down through generations. But some of it, well, it's just plain myth. These myths can cause confusion and might even lead us to do things that aren't actually good for our hair. So, let's put on our detective hats and do a bit of myth busting. Knowing the truth can free you from unhelpful practices and guide you towards genuinely effective hair care. It's time to separate the facts from the fiction. Here's a very common one. Trimming your hair makes it grow faster. Many people believe this, but it's not quite true. Your hair grows from the roots in your scalp, and trimming the ends has no effect on how quickly those roots produce new hair. However, regular trims are still incredibly important. What trimming do is remove split ends. Split ends can travel up the hair shaft, causing more breakage and making your hair look thinner and less healthy. So, trimming helps your hair healthier and retain length by preventing damage. Section 9. Hair through the year and when to ask for help. Just like our skin or our mood, our hair's needs can change quite a bit with the seasons. The glorious summer sun, while lovely for us, can be quite drying and damaging for our hair. It can lighten our color, but also leave strands feeling brittle. Then comes winter, with its cold air outside and dry central heating inside. This combination can strip moisture from our hair, leading to static, dullness, and increased breakage. So, it's really helpful to be aware of these seasonal shifts and adapt our hair care routines accordingly to keep our locks happy all year round. During the summer months, think about protecting your hair from strong UV rays. A stylish hat or a pretty scarf can offer great physical protection. You can also find hair products with UV filters. If you're swimming in chlorinated pools or salty seawater, try to wet your hair with fresh water and apply a little leave-in conditioner beforehand. This helps to create a barrier. And you might find your hair needs a bit more moisture, so perhaps an extra deep conditioning treatment. In winter, focus on combating dryness. Use richer conditioners, deep condition more regularly, and consider a humidifier at home to add moisture to the air. While this guide is all about achieving wonderful hair at home, there are times when home care might not be enough, and it's wise to seek professional help. If you experience sudden or significant hair loss, or persistent scalp problems like severe itching, flaking, or soreness, it's important to see a doctor, a dermatologist, or a trichologist, a specialist in hair and scalp disorders. They can help diagnose any underlying issues and recommend appropriate treatments. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have serious concerns. Your health is paramount. If you enjoyed these natural and homemade beauty tips, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.